such an arm workout. Ugh. It's been a hot month since we've parted ways with 2019. I'd like to say I've seen so many people making ambitious goals they'll achieve by 2020. I mean, I've made some of my own.
Bring Christina to Mars.
I think I've skipped one very important one that I've been trying to avoid for a good long time. I really don't enjoy doing, and I think it's time to change. It's really time to pull it by the tails and dealing with it. And yeah, basically me cleaning my house, but actually sticking to it for however long. So let me explain a little bit about the layout of my house. This is my current setup of my house. It's a 2-bedroom. The other bedroom is primarily used for my mom's closet storage. Yes, Mom. I love making food, but there's one thing I'm annoyed of, which is cleaning up. I said it, but it's just something you have to do, and it's something you have to, you know, be friends with and fall in love with. It's funny, you know, when I was a teenager, I used to think like, oh my god, adult life would be so glamorous, you know? I'd be like living by myself, it'd be so easy. You really need to allocate your time for like certain things. Schedule for when you have to eat, schedule when you have to study, schedule when you have to clean your house. And I think I kind of put too much time and effort in things like, oh well, I need to prioritize my studying, which is, it's fair, okay, yeah, that makes sense. But I also have to prioritize time for cleaning my house, taking out the garbage. It's not that hard to take out a trash, but I guess when you've been doing it for so long, it's kind of like instilled into your mind. So yeah, gotta change that. Current stage, I'd say it's questionable. I have my trash to go throw out. Help. My mom's Morgan lamp is certainly the most scariest task, because if it breaks, she will
have my heart
on a plate and eat it while I'm still alive. But every time my niece is here, oh my gosh. She is something. She's 6 years old, and every time she comes close to this, I'm like, no! Don't go there, Grandma's not gonna be happy. Yeah, this is the current state of my room. I mean, I'm not proud of it, but I just need to close some stuff and change my sheets. So that's what we're gonna tackle. But before we tackle that, I'm gonna do my laundry. Have you guys ever seen the Eiffel Tower of laundry? Well, this is mine. My Burj Khalifa. My Eiffel Tower. Okay, let's go put this in the wash.
It's crazy lady mopping time.
Yay! So now that all the cleaning is kind of done, it's time to face the schedule that I'll be trying to keep up with. I think it's a daunting task when you leave it all to the end, you know, just like what I previously was talking about in that 10 advice video that you should definitely check out. But definitely leaving everything last minute is not really ideal, and I think doing a little bit here, a little bit there, especially for me, having a schedule to tick things off, I think it's really important because I just can't go around with a mental schedule. So I have everything planned out right now and we'll do that together. This was the corkboard that you've probably seen in my room. I don't really have much use for it in there. I'm going to be using this corkboard and repurposing it for some greater good, like my cleaning schedule. Let's get started. So first off, I started by drawing this chores title to make sure I know that I have to do my chores. Then I underlined it very nicely. Then I kind of drew these lines to allocate the day of the weeks that I'll be doing my chores and when I'll be doing them. So I completely skipped Thursday. Don't know why. Then I started filling it in with flowers, you know, because it's a beautiful sight and I need to find ways to make myself, you know, attracted to things. So I'm like, oh wow, flowers, I need to do this. Then I'll separate all the days to make sure that I don't get them mixed up and make sure that I distribute the chores out evenly. Now this is when I forgot how to spell laundry. So I just added the N in there. This is so embarrassing. Laundry. And gotta fill in that laundry. It's done. So I got clean your dishes, vacuum on Monday, and take out the trash on Tuesday, clean the dishes on Wednesday. Friday is basic cleanup, so vacuuming the floor, putting stuff that needs to be put out away, and Saturday is my free day, so I have Saturday off the whole day, so I'm doing laundry and mopping. Sunday take out the trash, and every end of the month I have end of the month sheets and bathroom. So oh hi, didn't see you there at all. Welcome to my house. That is so embarrassing.
Baby girl be mine, baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told him fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, that you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries.
My favorite part about the kitchen is the fact that I have too many water plants and I can cook food. But I don't like washing up, but we're working on that.
She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.